Well, we're back to cut up some firewood. Oh, that looks like it might be a beehive in that tree. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. We're gonna take care of this piece that fell. There's supposed to be a down tree or two somewhere in here we gotta find. I don't think anybody's here. Oh, I think I see one up on the hill there. Anyway, I think we're gonna be in this general vicinity all morning. Just kind of in this little gully. But yeah, we'll head up to the house and see if anybody's here to get a little more detail, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to do a cold start of the Echo 303. Ooh. I saw it coming too, but I didn't react to it. Not like I should have, at least. See if I can drag this thing out of poison oak. This is not a heavy tree. I made a thump. I'm just extra tired today. Long day yesterday. Uh-oh. What'd we do? It's not a good sign. I might have flooded it. That guy's cut up, just a pile of brush left. We're gonna have to move that brush at some point. I gotta cut down all of that. Those, at least those two. Not today. Those gotta go. They're dead. We got one up on the hill we gotta do though. So let's go take a peek at that one. It's gonna back up because it's not very far. Makes me a little nervous because down there it was just inundated with poison oak. I don't want nothing to do with poison oak anymore. This guy's hanging up in the tree still. That's poison oak. I didn't even, just walking right through this stuff and I don't even see it. Alright, let's cut this guy up then. Not even sure where would be a good spot to put you guys. Start you off right there. So what you guys didn't see is when this thing came off the stump, I don't think you saw it. When it came off the stump over there, this piece flew up and darn near hit me in the face. I hope I got that. I don't think I did though. Alright, gotta let the camera cool. It shut down because it overheated. Alright, so we got it all cut up. We gotta move the brush still. Apparently guys, this camera, it overheats and it shuts. I really hope I got that shot. I don't think I did, but it overheats and it just turns off. And I think if I use an external battery in it, that'll keep it from overheating, or even put a fan on it, but that ruins the mobility of the camera. I'll show you. See, I got this little GoPro 11 mini because of the mobility, and then I got the little GoPro selfie stick battery remote thing as well, just for the mobility. Something, I mean, you could fit it in a shirt pocket and go out and do what you do. But if you start adding more external batteries than the one I have here, and fans and everything, you just defeat the purpose of the mobility. So I think I'm gonna go back. I don't want to bring my GoPro 11 out in the field like this. I still have a 7 and a 9 that I can use. I think I'll go back to the 9. That's the one, remember we broke the screen? Remember it fell out of the tailgate and landed on the rocks right here? Broke the touch screen. It still works fine, it's just cracked in the corner. I think I'll go back to that. And because that had the problem too, but not as bad as this little mini. This little mini is just horrible with it. And I bet, yeah, it's hot to the touch. The whole back of this is a heat sink and it's hot to the touch. So, all right. I might go down and see what I can do. I might go look at a tree down there. I don't know if I'm going to get that brush today. I mean, we can't burn now anyway. Look at it, right? So yeah, let's see what we see. And I mean, don't get it wrong, guys. This is a good camera. I really like this camera, but I think it's just going to be best using it in situations where there's airflow. Yeah, you gotta be moving with airflow. When you just set it in the field, especially in the sun, and try to film something you're doing, it's not great. So yeah, I love the camera. It does a good job. Just it needs to do that job moving. So we're gonna go look at this blowdown over here. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with it, if anything. I'll go take a peek and figure it out.